In this video, we're going to focus on the zoom options in the Chart.js plugin Zoom in Chart.js. And what we're going to do here basically is to explore what the zoom options are, because there are multiple options with zoom depending on how you want to activate it. And I've shown you already one previously, but let's start to explore it again and let's really dive deep in this. So in the zoom options, you will see here basically there are three levels of zoom options. It's the wheel, the drag, and the pinch. And in this case, pinch is connected to what we had here, the hammer.js file, which we connected. However, for us, we are not able to use the hammer.js file, or at least the pinch option, just for one reason. The pinch option is designed for mobile versions. So since we're on the computer here, it's not possible to emulate this. So that's why I will skip in our case. However, we have the wheel, and then we have the wheel options, and we have the drag and the drag options, and then we have these specific modes, and etc. etc. So what we want to do first is to activate the zoom options, and to do that we need to add up a new item here, because here we have the plugin zoom, and then we have pan. Put in here comma, and we're putting here zoom, and then within here eventually we will start to add up all the items. So basically what we did is we add up now the zoom option, because the upper one here is not a zoom option, it's basically the plugin name that we're activating. Remember, if we did the data labels, it has the same structure as well. We activate the plugin name first, and then afterwards we will get the specific option. So right now we have it activated. In the next video, we're going to add up items step by step. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course, where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.